Here we are at the end of May. The fields have been plowed, and we've had some heavy rain for the last 12 hours, which all these little seedlings are loving it. Now my yard, not so much, because as you can see, this water is flowing up underneath the street, coming this way, which is flowing into this quite well. Nothing too crazy, but it's good. I have a feeling because of erosion, the water is flowing across this and ending up there. I'm gonna check that hole that I know is somewhere over there. Oh, I found the hole. I can see it bubbling ever so slightly. There's a hole ever so slightly bubbling. So that's telling me that the water's traveling underground to this point and coming up at this weak spot. And when I come over to here, the side yard, which I'm going to do this as quick as possible, this is what I've dug during the winter time, controlling this very, very nicely. Problem is, I could only dig so much by hand. And once it gets here, it spreads out and goes down to the creek eventually. Now my goal is to see where this water wants to naturally flow right in this area and dig a trench that will go down here follow this way. We'll have to come right through here. You would take out this little tree here, come through here, come on down, keep coming, and this would help my neighbor get rid of some of his excess water and the excess water from across the street flooding here. So if we came down through here, and this is where it gets interesting, is we've got this area, and what we'll do from here, I'm not certain, but we've got the excess water from the other field down the road, and this is creating this oversaturation effect. So if we can tie all that into this area and then dump it out right over here, because the previous owner or original owner put in a 4-inch pipe, which just isn't enough to maintain all of this. It's just not. So maybe if we dig it out, we can make something happen. Because this, my friends, is a whole lot of water. It's kind of crazy. I'm going to walk along the bank a bit, see what we can show you. The overgrowth is quite high back here. And let's see, where can I actually walk? Slowing down a bit because it's very wet. And as you can see, this is all flowing. Water's over here and seeping and flowing through. I'm sinking. Whoa, I'm sinking. Oh, there's a brick I put in a while ago to firm up the ground a little bit. And we can keep on walking. There's my other brook with the gnome, Jasper. And where these two meet again, and flowing right into the creek. It's a bit of a madhouse. And yeah, lots of water.